Welcome to Flintshire, a county where history, culture and opportunity converge. Located in North Wales on the Welsh-English border, Flintshire's towns are vibrant hubs of community life, offering unique experiences for visitors, new residents and businesses alike. Join us as we explore the best of what Flintshire has to offer, from its rich heritage to its thriving town centres. The North Wales Expressway and Crewe Holyhead Mainline, frequent public transport and active travel opportunities throw open easy access across the county. From Talacra Beach and the iconic Point of Ayr Lighthouse to the industrial hub of Deeside in the south of the county, Flintshire presents a unique package of offers to visit, live, work and invest. Holywell combines scenic beauty with tranquility. Known as the Lourdes of Wales, Holywell is home to St Winifred's Well, a site of pilgrimage for centuries. Basingwork Abbey and the Greenfield Valley Heritage Park, with its secluded ancient monuments, sit just a stone's throw away from the town itself, which offers a peaceful retreat with its quaint streets, welcoming shops and weekly community market, with easy access to some of Flintshire's most stunning natural landscapes, including the Wales Coastal Path, where the estuary foreshore provides a habitat for the very rare natterjack toad just to the south. Holywell is perfect for those seeking a blend of spiritual heritage and rural beauty. Only a short journey away, the historic town of Fflint beckons. Fflint is one of the most historic towns in North Wales, dating back to 1277, when King Edward I commissioned the building of Fflint Castle, the town's dominating landmark. Fflint is a testament to the area's rich history, which can be explored via the Fflint Heritage Trail. The section of the Wales Coastal Path that runs through Fflint offers fantastic views out over the salt marshes of the Dee estuary, and is one of Europe's most important habitats for wildfowl and wading birds. Fflint's town centre is a mix of the old and new, with charming shops, inviting cafes and a thriving community. Whether you're exploring the castle or enjoying the local hospitality, Fflint is a town that leaves a lasting impression. Passing the Flintshire Bridge, we arrive in the area known locally as Deeside, formed by the towns of Connors Quay, Shotton and Queensferry. Connors Quay is the gateway to the River Dee, a busy town offering stunning waterside views and a rich industrial past centred on the town's historic docks. Excellent transport links combine with the natural beauty and heritage of Wepper Park and Ewloe Castle, along with access to the coastal path. These leisure activities combine with a strong local economy to make Connors Quay an ideal location for those seeking business or employment opportunities in a picturesque setting. Our journey continues to Shotton, former home to a famed steelworks, with its high street running parallel to the Dee estuary, where road and rail bridges provide links to Chester and Cheshire. Shotton's train station is unique in connecting both north-south and east-west lines, maximising the town's rail connectivity. Additionally, 100,000 cycle journeys each year are made along this stretch of the coastal path. Sited just opposite the Deeside Industrial Park, where global companies operate alongside important nature reserves. The Shotton lagoons and reed beds are a nesting site for a large tern population and has been designated a site of special scientific interest. We move down the line of the Dee estuary to Queensferry, another town integral to Flintshire's industrial and economic landscape. The strong industrial heritage of the area lives on in these flourishing centres of commerce, where local businesses thrive alongside the international companies resident in the nearby Deeside Industrial Estate. Home to the Deeside Leisure Centre, a major sports complex drawing people from across the region and beyond with its regular ice hockey events and extensive facilities including a spa and ice rink. With strong community initiatives and excellent transport connections, Queensferry offers a dynamic environment for businesses and residents looking to make their mark. Next we arrive at Buckley, once known for its brickworks and ceramic industries. Buckley today is a town with a strong sense of community, boasting one of the oldest brass bands in the UK, as well as the Tivoli, a renowned music venue drawing patrons from across North Wales and North West England. The town is a hub for community initiatives, such as the Repair and Reuse Centre and Community Cafe. Enjoy the town's beautiful common, or join one of the many local events that bring the town to life. Buckley is a place where families and businesses alike find a warm welcome and room to grow, with the town offering a significant residential opportunity. Mold is famous for its thriving market and is also home to Theatr Clwyd, a leading arts venue that attracts visitors from across the region and beyond. The Mold Gold Cape, a ceremonial cape of solid sheet gold, was discovered here in 1833 and is one of Britain's most important Bronze Age artifacts. The town boasts a packed events calendar, which, coupled with its diverse shops and restaurants, makes Mold a dynamic place to visit and live. Boasting indoor and outdoor markets, as well as a cattle market, along with the 12th century castle of Bailey Hill, this animated town brings together culture and community in perfect harmony. Mold also provides the ideal stop-off point after a hike up Moel Famau, with its panoramic views that stretch from Liverpool to Snowdonia. Flintshire is a place where life is lived to the fullest. Whether you're exploring our vibrant town centres, delving into our rich heritage, or enjoying the great outdoors, Flintshire offers something for everyone. A place where day trippers, returning visitors, and those that choose to make the county their home can create memories that last a lifetime. In Flintshire, every town has a story to tell, each one unique, each one inviting. Whether you're looking to visit, settle, or start a business, Flintshire's towns offer the perfect setting for your next adventure. Come and explore Flintshire, where history, community, and opportunity come together.